What's up, beauties? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is ireneezzy. Thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we're going to be creating a no foundation clean makeup look. If you're going for a natural but yet put together kind of look, this makeup look is perfect. You can literally wear this look to anywhere, from work to children's school meetings to literally anywhere that doesn't demand you to wear a lot of makeup or a full face full of makeup. This look is absolutely perfect. So on that note, let's get right into the video. My face is cleansed and is ashy. I haven't put anything on my face because I want to start out this look from the very beginning, because like I always say, skincare is the end thing. Like, your skin has to be popping, and the products that I use to achieve a good skincare routine for myself is first this rose water and glycerin hydrating facial facial mist. For years I've been using this product and it is absolutely my favorite facial mist. Immediately you see that ashiness just went away. That is what we need. Okay, so after doing that, the next product I'm going to go in with is my hyaluronic acid. If you're a dry skin girl, you know that we can't do anything without hyaluronic acid, and I cannot just get enough of it at all. I also forgot to tell you guys that after cleansing my face, I exfoliated. If you do not exfoliate your skin feels bumpy. Like, I've noticed that anytime I don't exfoliate, my skin will still feel bumpy. So be sure to like exfoliate your skin before you go in with your makeup, because it helps with how your makeup turns out. Like, your skin is flawless, your skin is smooth, and so will your makeup turn out to be. Okay, so that is a little dry now. So the next product we'll go in with, which I've almost finished, is the L'Oreal Hydrogenous Aloe Water. This product, I've been using it for like a very long time and I absolutely love it. I love how hydrating it makes my face feel. It is a liquid moisturizer for normal to dry skin. I love. See, it's almost out. I love this product. So I'm going. And apply it all over my face, and it has a very fresh scent to it. Like, I love the scent. Like, I usually don't like products that have like a perfume in them, but this one I absolutely love it. And all of these products are very inexpensive. This two, I got them from iHab, and this one I got it from Amazon. You can literally find this product anywhere. All right, I'm done applying my skincare products. My skin feels good except for my lip. So I'm going to allow this product to like sit on my skin and marinate for like 10 to 15 minutes before I go in with my makeup proper. For my brows, I use only two products. Okay, I use my Lift and Snatch brow pen, and then I use this Ticket brow mascara, and these products are from NYX. I'm going to go ahead and brush my brows upward. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys closer so that you can see what I'm doing. I have my mirror here, so I'm going to brush my brows upward. I mean, you guys have seen me do my brows like a million times. And also, guys, see my lip. I don't know, my lip has just been messing up. I'm going to go in with my brow pen, and this is in the shade Espresso. I love this brow pen. Okay, so I'm going to focus on the outer part. I'm going to make this video very fast because, yeah, you guys have seen me do my brows like a million times already. So guys, I'm done with using the brow pen on my brows. As you can see, they're looking good. This is why I love using a brow pen. It gives me this natural brow finish that I love, as if I did something but I didn't do anything. You understand? If you're someone who is starting out, you don't know how to use a brow pen, the first thing I'll tell you to do is just make sure that your hands are very light when giving your stroke, like when placing your strokes. Ensure that your hands are very light. Secondly, ensure that you're going in the direction of your natural hair. Okay, you're not going in any different direction. You're going in the same direction of your natural brow hair. All right, then when you get to the front, like as you can see, my brows are shorter, all right, in the front here. So what I typically do, I just follow the how, you know, I don't know how to put it, how wavy my brows go, like in the direction of my brows. Basically, that is what I do. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Ticket brow mascara to set everything, lightly set it in place. All right, just lightly. And this is in the shade Brunette. So the first thing I do is I go in with my corrector, and this is the LA Girl Pro, corrector, and this is in the shade Orange. I focus this on my problem areas, all right, the areas where I have hyperpigmentation, basically. Okay, now I'm going to use my finger and blend this in. I'm not moving it around, I'm just pressing it in. So before we continue, as you noticed, I didn't apply a sunscreen, and that is because I'm going out with this look in the evening, not during the day. So if you're going out during the day or in the morning, as far, let me say you're going to work, I would advise you to go in with your sunscreen before you go in with all of your makeup products. It is very important to protect you and your skin from the sun. All right, so guys, I forgot to apply a primer. All right, so we're going to do what we gotta do. All right, first apply your primer before you go in with your corrector. Hey, Irene. So I'm going to go in with my primer. I love, and this is the Wet n Wild dewy primer. I love this primer. I've said it a million times, like this leaves my skin glowy, as you can already see. So the next product I'm going to go in with is with my favorite tinted hydrator, and this is from Wet n Wild as well. This product, I have talked about it. I think you guys are already tired of hearing it, but if you are not, I'm saying it again. This is my favorite tinted hydrator. It's not a foundation. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is good for my skin and for yours as well. It is it gives a sheer to medium coverage. You can build it up to, however you like. You can put more, you can put less. It's a plant-based product as well, promotes and supplies moisturized skin. Okay, and that is what we're all about right here. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this. So I would advise you to invest in one of this. Anytime I'm going for a clean, natural but yet put together kind of look, I woke up like this kind of look. This is the hydrator, or the thing that I don't go for, like. So I'm going to put that just a little bit, because I'm not doing a lot. I don't want a lot of product on my face, and I love it because it's lightweight. Like, it feels like you didn't even put anything on your skin. So I start from the areas where I applied the color corrector, and then the outer part of my face for sure. And as you can see, I started from the outer side of my face, and that is because I don't want a lot of product here. I want to keep it as natural as possible. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Real Techniques beauty blender. I love this blender. I'll just advise you, invest in the Real Techniques beauty blender. Like, this blender is a lifesaver. I love this blender. Okay, and also the brushes as well. Like, I can't say anything bad about it. The next product we are going in with is our concealer, and this is also one of my favorite products, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm going to lightly use that here. I didn't tell you guys the shade I'm using. This is in Tan Walnut. I'm going to take a little bit of the concealer just to highlight my brow bone using my Real Techniques angled brush. I'm going to pick it up and focus this product only on my brow bone. So the next thing we are going to go in with is with our bronzer. I don't like contouring, but if you also want to contour, that's fine. So I'm going in with my bronzer, and the bronzer, this is a potty bronzer in Bronzed Belle. All right, so I'm going to take my contour brush, pick up this product, and the reason why I bronzed my eyelids, at least the upper part, is because I'm not going in with any eyeshadow. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is apply my blush, and this is my absolute favorite right now, my absolute favorite blush. Okay, so using my blush brush, I picked up a lot. I'm going to place that up here. I love to blush. Oh my gosh, look at her, she is gorgeous. So I'm just going to go back with my beauty blender under my eyes and make sure that we have no creasing whatsoever. Okay, now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder, just get the clean part of the brush, of my beauty blender, take off the excess, like a lot of it, and then press into my skin. I'm going to take my fluffy brush, and now go into my Maybelline Fit Me. I like just to take this cover here because I don't want any powder or so much powder, and then just set the rest of my face. I'm going to pick up the NYX eyebrow pen, and I'm going to use it to create a wing. I am going to also take this same product and I'm going to apply it all over just a little bit on my lower lash. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I'm going to put it on my waterline. And you already know my Essence mascara is here to stay, okay? I'm going to put that all over my lash. You just start from the bottom of your lash, take it up from the bottom, so all the way up, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face, and to do that, I'll be using my Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray, okay? So the next product I'm going to use is my highlighter, and this is the Milani highlighter in the shade Sun Glow. Hello. I'm going to put my finger, my ring finger, I'm going to take that up on my nose because we need to glow on our nose. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. You can also use a brown eyeshadow for this, whatever works for you, okay? Whatever tickles your fancy. You can use your brown eyeshadow to outline your lip. You can use a brow pencil to outline your lip, okay? Whatever works, whatever you have available. Let me just go ahead and put on my wig. I'll be right back. This is the final look. This is what we're giving, okay? We're giving natural, we're giving cute, we're giving what? Skin. Guys, I decided to go ahead and put on some lip gloss, okay? And I'll be using the e.l.f. lip gloss, and this is Fantasy. The shade is Fantasy. So guys, this is the final look. I love this look. So this look is perfect for work. It's perfect for meeting engagement. Of course, you can go ahead and pop on some lashes, but for me, like personally, I don't wear lashes when I'm, wearing this look. I don't wear lashes, so I don't see any reason why I'll come and wear lashes now. So yeah, that's why I decided to keep it this way, because this is how I look most of the time. I decided, let me just film something like this for you guys that is natural, subtle, but yet gorgeous at the same time, clean. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All of the products I used will be down in the description box below, and they are affordable, beginner friendly, okay? Very much affordable. Nothing is expensive here, all right? So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified as to when I post a new video, guys. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.